Finding products that I can sell month over month was probably the key to my success on Amazon. My catalogs expands day after day with products that I can reorder when I go out of stock. This compounds and my business grows exponentially while I'll do the same amount of work every single day. If you don't know me, my name is Mangunza, and in this video I will show you how you can find replens for your Amazon online arbitrage business, and I will tell you the 5 rules that you need to follow to keep finding replens every single day. Let's go. As I said earlier, replens are products that you can source and sell over and over. But why do you even want to find replens in the first place? The hardest task with this business model is finding new leads, as it is the most time consuming. Even if you are a one-man business, you need to think of it this way. It costs you more time to find new leads than to double down on old leads. So it is more expensive and riskier for you to find and buy new leads than to double down on old leads that you know for a fact are selling. By doing this, you can leverage your time more because you're going to need less input for the same amount of output. Input being the time and money that you put into your business, and output being your revenue. So as your time and money is finite, you want to use it the best you can. Does that mean that you should never look for new leads? No, because you need to expand your catalog every single day. Some products are going to tank. Some products are just going to get discontinued, but it also goes against the first step of the 5 steps that you need to apply every day to find replenishable products. With that said, let's start with the first rule. You need to look for new leads every single day and test a lot of products. There's no way to source specifically for replenishable. You need to cast your net wide, and a small percentage of all the products you're going to find are going to be replens. Test a lot of products so you can have an idea of how fast it is selling, because it will be helpful in the future. Step 2, you need to change your mindset. It's easy to fall in the trap of finding and ordering new leads every single day. Things actually clicked for me, and I was able to triple my business when I realized that I can just reorder old leads. I can just revisit them, check if they're still profitable, check if I can get them for the same price, reorder them, and sell them. Checking old leads is actually 10 times faster than finding a new lead. So if you can do the same amount of work with 1/10 of the time, of course this is what you should do. One of the pitfalls in which you can fall is keeping looking for new leads exclusively every day. You're going to spend a lot of time, and someday you're just not going to find anything. You need to be able to spend money on a regular basis, and revisiting old leads is the way to go. Step 3, learn online retailers' sales cycle. I disagree with people defining replens as product that you can source at MSRP and sell consistently on Amazon. These products are eventually going to tank. You have no competitive advantage, so everybody will end up finding this product, and the more people find the product, the quicker the product tanks. You will notice on online retailers that the same brand, the same categories of products are going on sale on a regular interval. It may be at 3 weeks interval on some websites, it may be on 6 weeks interval on some websites. It may be at 3 weeks interval on some websites, and it may be at 6-week intervals on some websites. Set yourself up for success by going back to step 1, testing a lot of product. That way, when the same product goes back in sale again, you can go all in. Step 4, commit to it. Commit to your business and take action every single day. Eventually, you will be able to know which brand is going on sale on which website and when. It just comes down to time in the market. You need to repeat this every single day for a long period of time. Eventually, you will know how long these brands are going to stay on sale. If sales on a certain website leads to these products tanking, how long will it take if the price tanks for those products to recover after the sale? And this all comes down to experience, so keep doing it every day. Commit to it. Step 5. I'm sorry, I'm going to be on my White Chicks, Starbucks, Stan Smith type of beat. You need to journal. Every day, take notes of what you did in your business. What went good, what went wrong, what pattern did you notice, what sales were going on, did a certain product tank, where did it come from? This will be a goldmine for you in the future, as you will be able to revisit it, notice patterns, see what sales were going on at what time, and be able to make links between those things. Start implementing these 5 steps, these 5 rules today, and see your business changing in the next few weeks. And as you start placing a lot of orders, check out this other video where I explain to you how you can avoid order cancellations.